We made it.
We did it.
We are in Cape Town.
Stellenbosch.
Stellenbosch.
Woo woo.
What's the plan?
I don't know yet. We just had some really good burgers while we waited to check into our Airbnb.
Which is sick.
Yeah, it's awesome. Now we gotta regroup. Maybe go explore town.
Hang out.
Hang out.
We'll see you later.
See ya.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are starting off our day today by going on a nice little nature walk out here in Stellenbosch.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We have been traveling a lot, so it's been hard to kind of get the blood flowing as much since we've been on planes and stuff a lot. So we're out just taking a nice morning walk.
Yeah, we are.
We'll see you guys in a little bit. We made it.
Woohoo! What a view.
Yeah, it's a beautiful view. We got vineyards to our right and mountains all around us.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Hey! So yesterday after our hike we kind of just relaxed and ran some errands, but
Yeah, we
today...
explored town a little bit
Yeah,
too,
oh yeah, we got some lunch.
Yeah, it was a really fun time exploring Stellenbosch, the little old town area. It's cute.
So today we decided to do some wine tasting.
Yeah.
So we're out in Stellenbosch is our first stop. So we are having a good day.
Yeah, we're loving it.
Check out the view.
Hey, bud. Hey, puppies. Hi. Hi. Oh, you already got one too snappy.
Good morning.
Good morning. We had an awesome day yesterday wine tasting through Stellenbosch. We had such a good time. Now we're getting ready to go on a hike again this morning.
Yep.
Yeah, figure out what to do from there the rest of the day.
And Sarah gave me a nice haircut yesterday.
I did, look at it.
Looks nice.
It's kind of bedheady still, but
Kitchen scissors.
yeah, kitchen scissors.
We'll check in from you guys later. Yeah.
Hello! We are on our way to this cute little town called Franschhoek. It's gonna be fun!
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Matt is driving us there, and I don't think we've explained this yet, but people in South Africa drive on the left side of the road. So that's what he's doing right now.
Yeah, it's a little crazy. You feel like you're going the wrong way all the time.
Yeah, he's doing great though. But yeah, so it might look like I'm in the driver's seat right now, but the steering wheel's over there. Check it out.
So we had an awesome lunch.
Sure did.
We stopped at a brewery and had a beer and just checked out some local shops here. So
Yeah, I've been wandering this super cute little town. It's really charming.
parents would love it here.
Yeah, you guys would love it so much.
Check out the brewery. The mountains are amazing.
Hello, we are in Jonkershoek doing a quick little waterfall hike this morning. We're supposed to see 2 really cool waterfalls and swimming holes. We're stoked! Woo!
Found another one.
So pretty!
Hey! Got our own swimming hole.
Burn this.
We did it!
We did!
6 miles and some waterfalls later. That was awesome.
It was amazing.
But we gotta go check out now. We're headed to Cape Town today. So we'll see you guys there.
See ya.